Today is another day, and it's about this 2023 Dodge Charger. I like doing cosmetic modifications. It's a simple one. It's about a diffuser. There it is. It's a really nice car. It is a Daytona edition. It's got the Hemi in it. So as we get it lined up, okay, the car is up in the air and it's at a comfortable height to where that piece right there is being changed out to that piece right there. So I'm going to see if I can bring that in better and show you what it looks like. It's a diffuser. It's supposed to help keep the car, I guess, in line when you're racing, help keep the draft. I'm not really sure, but it's a nice little addition to the backside of that car. It makes it look pretty nice. So based on what I'm seeing here, these clips that might be hard to see, it's going to be a little bit of a trick move to get them to disconnect from the car itself. But I'm going to give it a try. Hopefully nothing breaks along the way. Well, they got these push pin things plus an 8mm screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a total of 2 of the push pin type plastic rivets. Nice little handy dandy fork tube type tool that they use to actually take these off, and this one's kind of loose anyway. Doesn't seem like it's doing a whole lot, but still got to take it out regardless. Even they're a little stubborn. Alrighty, that's one. There is a little slot on the side of them for with a screwdriver or even this tool to kind of sneak in there and start to proceed to pull the centerpiece out. Gosh, they're stubborn. And then the 8mm screws. Oh, even smaller than that. Holy cow. For smaller sockets, 1/4" drive, which means different tool. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. Perfect. First one. Wrong way. This is metric, but can I see it? I don't know, the writing is so fine I can't tell. It's 2, 3, and 4. Now, here comes the fun part. Let some of the dirt fall down. There's like an inner plastic cover. Yep. Clipped. Maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna get me some light. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's gonna be fun. Okay, well, what I'm going to do is put you on hold, stand by, basically, and once I figure out how to get this thing out safely, I'll chime you back in. Okay, I figured it out. You have to start from one end and release it from the actual bumper holder, bumper cover. And then once you get that one started, the other ones just seem to just pop right out all on its own, kind of, so to speak. So this one's out, so it's just a matter of minutes that this one goes back in it. So I'm going to wipe this dirt off, clean around the exhaust tips, and then put the new one on, because that's just how fast and how easy it is to do it. Dirty. I think this person would take better care of their car. Need a tink. Oh, the little light on the paint from the factory up in here. It's got some color of the bumper cover shining through. Dang. I was told, and I kind of agree, Dodge has one of the worst paint jobs along with Subaru. They are what they are, I guess, but I don't think you're buying the car for a paint job. You're buying this car for performance and style and all the rest of the goodies that go with it. Yes, sir. Alright. That's that. Heck, my hands got dirty cleaning it. Looky here. Just checking. Beating the car up. Well, I'm going to put the bottom screws in and then lower it. No, I don't know if I'm going to do that just yet. These locked in real nice over here, up to about this point here, and to about this point here, all the way around is locked in there pretty good. Trying to get the middle without pushing the car off the lift. Gotta get me a little stool. Alrighty. I see the concerns. Yep, that's one of them. That's in line. That one's now in line. That one's in. Come on now, two more. It's not a tuner. It's another one, and that's the other one. Whew. All right, they're locked in place. Put the screws back in it, and this silliness is over. Hopefully. Yep. I gotta lift it up more. Yeah, much better. Alright, don't want to get carried away. Huh? Gotta be able to reach. Screws aren't long enough to reach, I guess, the way this thing is molded. Try this end. That one's in. Nope. I wonder why. I gotta investigate. Yeah, there's two spots here that aren't allowing me to get into. Maybe, just maybe, if I loosen these two bolts up, 3 bolts up back here, get my hand in there. Let's try that. They are 10 millimeter. I should. I would, I could. Yep. Alrighty, let's see. Come on now. What's the hold up? What's the dealio? Okay. So I figured if I could get my hand back there, is what I investigate, is to push down, because the screws that go to the bottom of this diffuser that one was attached to, I can push that down and maybe the screws then will meet the slot it belongs in and be able to tighten up. I hope so. Ah, yes. My investigations and my concept and my idea is correct. I'm such a genius. Bring you up. Oop, there you go. There you go. Now I can put the 4 nuts back on. And then I can put the outside plastic rivets on. Yep. Looky what we got there. That's one. Two. Three. And here is the final one. Alrighty. These two retarded rivets go in the end. Yep. Push. That's that one. Some dirt underneath here. The nerve. In my shop, dirt. Oh my lord. Still there. Alright. I'm going to give you a close-up look at what it looks like. What it smells like. And that is the new look for the tail end of this charger. Wasn't too shabby. I'm glad it came off and went back on easy enough. And these were the nuts that I was talking about to take off, so I can get my hand in here to reach over to where those screws had to meet up. So it's all done. I'm really glad that it went that easy. It was a simple job, didn't take too long. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you'll like and subscribe, tell your friends, your family members, and until the next video, try to get something done.